A very good morning, children. Welcome back to the English class. I hope you all are fit and fine at your homes. So children, what we have learned in the last class, we are going to continue in this class, okay? So children, what we have learned in the last class? Yes, we learned about Manu and about his family. Yes children, we have discussed this in the last class. So children, Manu is a boy, yes, who loves his family. There are 7 members in Manu's family. Who are they? Yes, his father, his mother, his sister Mita and his grandma, grandpa. So children, grandma means grandmother, grandpa means grandfather and his pet dog called Spot. Yes. So children, we have learned this in the last class. So children, we are going to continue this, okay, in this class. So, open your English textbook, page number 4. Yes children, page number 2. So, here in the last class we have learned about Manu and about his family, that Manu's father is a teacher, yes, and he works in a central school. Manu's father name is Ravi Kumar and Manu's mother name is Veena Kumar, and she is a doctor and she works in a Amber hospital. Yes children, and we already know that there are 7 members in Manu's family: his father, his mother, grandma, grandpa, Manu's little sister Mita and his pet dog called Spot. So here we will continue this lesson in this class. So children, see here, Manu has a dog. Manu has a dog called Spot. Yes, you can see in this picture. So Manu's pet name is what children? Manu's pet name is Spot. The dog name is Spot. Is that clear? Don't get confused. Manu's pet is a dog and its name is Spot. Why the name of a pet is Spot? Because he is white and has a big black spot on him. Yes, we can see in this picture. You can see here Spot has a big black spot on him. Yes, we can see in this picture. Now see here, every morning Manu and Spot play in the garden. Manu throws a ball, Spot runs after the ball and he wags his tail hard. So children, wags. We already know the meaning of wags. So children, what is meant by wags? Wags means to shake up and down or move from side to side. Here we can see, look at this picture. See, Spot runs after the ball and he wags his tail. Yes, Spot wags his tail. Means Spot move his tail from side to side. Yes, wags means what? Move from one side to side. Means Spot wags his tail move from side to side. Yes. So wags means what? To shake up and down or move from side to side. Okay children. He is happy to be outside. Who is happy to be outside? Yes, you are right. Manu is very happy to be outside. Yes. So children, see here. We can see Manu has a pet dog. Yes. So he is very happy to be outside. They will play together. Yes. So children, tail means what? Tail means spot at the end of the body of an animal. Yes. This is tail. You can see this part of body of a dog is called tail. Is that clear? Okay. Now turn the page. In the evening, Manu takes Mita out in her pram. They go to the park. Grandma goes with them and Spot goes them with too. So here children, see, in the evening they used to take Smita out in her pram. They go to the park. Grandpa goes with them and Spot goes with them too. So here pram means what children? I already told you. Pram means what? A small vehicle of 4-wheel chair. Yes, a small vehicle of 4-wheel chair for a young baby. Yes, you can see here. Look at this picture. This type of vehicle is called pram. Is that clear? This type of vehicle is called pram. Okay. Now see here. In the many boys and girls play in the park. Mita sees them and laughs. So here, yes, you can see in this picture. Look at in this picture. There are so many boys and there are so many girls. Yes, they all are playing. They all are playing. They are all playing in the park. Yes. So many boys and girls play in the park. Mita sees them and laughs. Who sees them? Yes, Mita sees them and she laughs. So Manu has many books. Every night his grandma reads to him. Yes, your grandma also read the story to you? Yes. So like that, Manu's grandma also read story to him. Manu likes to look at the words and picture. Yes. Do you also like to see the pictures and words in storybooks? Yes, we all do the same thing. Yes, when we saw something storybooks or picture book, we also do the same thing. So like that, Manu has many books. Even every night his grandma reads to him. Manu likes to look at the words and picture. Manu likes to look at the words and picture. So children, look at this picture. Here we can see Manu has many books. Yes, Manu has many books and she is his grandma. Grandma means what, children? Grandma means grandmother. So every night his grandma reads to him. Manu likes to look at the words and picture. We can see in this picture. Yes. Now Manu is sleepy. He hugs his teddy bear and goes to sleep. Spot is sleepy too. Can you see him? Yes, we can see in this picture that Spot is also sleepy. Yes, Spot is sleepy too. And can you see him? Yes, we can see that. So tell me children, do you also like to sleep with your teddy bears? Yes? Okay. So here Manu is sleepy and he hugs his teddy bear and goes to sleep. Yes. So children, this is a story about Manu and his family. Yes. So this chapter is over. So children, what we have learned in this lesson? Yes, we have learned about Manu and his family. That family is very important. Yes children. So Manu is a boy who loves his family. Yes. There are 7 members in Manu's family. His mother, father, grandma, grandpa and little sister Mita, and she is only 10 months old. Yes, we already know that. And Manu has a pet and its name is Spot. Why its name is Spot? Because it has a big black spot on him. Yes, we know that. So children, I hope you understood this. Okay. The next we will continue in next class. Till then children, stay home, stay safe, take care of yourself. Okay, thank you. Bye.